My name is Emanuel Zillberberg. I'm French. I live in Paris, and I've been working with COTRUGLI for the last 6 years. I work in the field of accounting, management accounting. I'm very interested in the transformation of business models, which means I'm interested in both the cost structures, but also as well pricing schedules, innovative pricing schedules, where people, for instance, no longer sell meals, but sell results, like Michelin, for instance, who is paid by the kilometer run. What implications does it have on how people sell, how people consume, and their cost structure? And this is precisely the topic I present to the students at COTRUGLI. I give a three-day lecture, the first day being Introduction to Financial Accounting, and the last 2 days are Management Accounting, which is another accounting, more internal and more decision-making oriented.
My name is Jurica Mikulic. I'm with a company called Infobip. The company is in the telecommunications business. My job is Operator Partnerships Manager, which basically means I handle negotiations with mobile operators. This was a very interesting module. We've learned a lot about financial accounting, some basic things like income statement, cash flow statement, balance sheets, and so on. How to interpret them and what they can tell us. But in addition to that, and I would say even more importantly, we learned a lot about managerial accounting. We came to understand how accounting helps decision making, which was the second module that we've listened to early on in the program. And we heard things like how accounting relates to price discrimination, which is also a concept we've learned earlier on in managerial economics. So I really like how all of these modules are starting to fit together like pieces of a puzzle, and I can't wait for the next piece.
My name is Zoran Ištonić, and I work as a CEO in company Uloda. I had the opportunity to come across financial statements that we are talking about in this module, but of course I have some gaps in the knowledge, and that is exactly what I hope to achieve and to learn from this module, because I think it is very important to really know the whole process of making financial statements in order to be able to make the right conclusions and decisions.
Hi everybody, my name is Zef Vučaj. I come from Slovenia. I work for the company called Klima Petek. My position there is commercial director, and I'm now at the financial accounting module here at COTRUGLI Business School. The model is, let's say, challenging because it forces us to think about things that we usually don't, at least for the people who don't come from the financial background. What is also interesting is basically that I've actually already picked up a couple of things that I would like to discuss internally in our company. Funnily enough, I just sent the email to our financial director that I would like to speak with her about a couple of things. What is, for me personally, there are a couple of really insightful issues that I, from the sales perspective, need to look at in terms of finance. So I would really warmly recommend this to everybody who doesn't usually deal with finance issues.